Welcome to my channel. This is about one particular script known as Sun TV. I made a massive jackpot profit in Sun TV today. The date is August 20th. Sun TV. I made in a small premium. I used to call this as penny level option trading. Penny level option trading is nothing but trading with premiums like 5 paise, 10 paise, 15 paise, ranging from 5 paise to 95 paise. So in order to make the risk is very low and the working capital is very low, and to make a massive bumper jackpot profit. Today I took Sun TV 500 call option at the price of 30 paise. The lot size is 1500. You just calculate the working capital required for one lot to trade in this script. Sun TV 500 call option, 30 paise is the premium, lot size is 1500. So the total amount to buy one lot would be around just 450 rupees. Imagine, nowadays 450 rupees is even less than 500 rupees is nothing, throw away money. So this is for one lot, and within a span of 3 minutes to 7 minutes, this script, this particular call option elevated to a level of 4 rupees 10 paise. The day high was 4 rupees 10 paise. So the target is 4 rupees 10 paise achieved within a short span of 3 to 7 minutes. Now you calculate the amount of growth of money within this short span of time. This would be around in terms of 60,000 and above. So such a massive profit. So I used to pick up scripts like this kind of low level premiums. Even I don't mind to trade with out of money call option or out of money put option, whatever it is, because my intention is to minimize the working capital, minimize the risk level also. I used to teach this kind of penny level option trading. I conduct a correspondence course with 4 lessons. Each level has 1 trading tricks. The lessons will be either in English or in your comfortable language. The lessons will be sent one by one by email to you. The course details are given in a website, bullstreet.com blogspot. The address of the website is given in the description box. You please check at the description box, click the website address, blog address, go to the site. You can able to find the course level, course details and offer rates also. So in order to make massive profits consistently with a little bit of money, it is better you know the trading tricks used in the penny level option trading. You cannot find elsewhere about the penny level option trading. This is my own proprietary method. I only invented this penny level option trading method. So consistently in a month, 5 to 10 times I used to trade with penny level option trading with the low premium, low capital. So you can also do such magic. You can also make such massive money if you want to make better profit always. So it's better you please join this course and learn the trading tricks, right? Thank you very much.